Yes, the first ever Olympics were held in 776 BC and the modern Olympics were held in 1896.
The Olympic Games are held after every 4 years. These games were to be held in 2020 but couldn't.
I should say the victories are amazing. Yesterday in archery, Deepika Kumari won against USA with 6 to 4 leads.
In boxing, women 69 to 75 kilogram, Pooja Rani won against Algeria with 5 leads.
It's awesome. In archery men, Praveen Jadhav from India won with 6 leads. In individuals, Tarun Rai won with 6 to 4 leads.
Do you know the PV Sindhu, the legend in badminton, won against Hong Kong with 2 leads.
Wow, that's awesome.
So now Principal Ma'am will come and say few words.
It is a proud feeling while congratulating Miss Meerabai Chanu on behalf of GEMS Public School Patiala on winning her silver medal in women 49 kg weightlifting in Olympics 2020. Her success clearly indicates that blood and sweat always pays. This is lesson for all of us that focused efforts, grit to achieve and diligent endeavor towards our goal always lead us to success. Congratulations Miss Meerabai Chanu once again. Jai Hind.
It's really an honor to have Mr. Vineet Kumar, a famous archery national sportsman, with us today. He is a renowned Indian archer and has won title of best player in cycle polo championships. Enjoy Mr. Vineet's views.
First of all, I would like to compliment GEMS Public School, especially the principal, Dr. Manjari Tejpal, for taking such a great initiative to celebrate Olympic month. I think it's a unique step taken by any school in India. Olympics, as you know, is the biggest extravaganza of sports. This time, this event is being staged at Tokyo in Japan. So far India is concerned, we have the biggest bets in shape of strong medal contenders like Deepika Kumari in archery, Atanu Das in archery. Today morning, he has beaten the twice Olympic champion to enter into this, rather storm into the quarterfinals, and I'm sure he will bring great laurels to India. And we have many more medal prospects in shape of Neeraj Chopra, javelin thrower. Then Lavlina has in boxing, she has already reached the quarterfinals. Then Mary Kom is the great Mary Kom is there. Then so many medal contenders are there. India has made a very strong strides over the last few years to become Olympic power, I would say, and the target set by the government of India for 2028 Olympics to be held in Los Angeles is to figure in top 10 countries in the world. We at Sports Authority of India are trying our level best, are doing our bit to provide the best of the facilities, logistics, boarding, lodging, sports equipment, sports kit to the elite athletes who train here. I shall therefore call upon all the school kids, especially of GEMS Public School, to take up sports. It will not only bring you good health, but also make you heroes of our nation, who India will be indebted forever, and you will shine. With these words, I wish good luck and best wishes to the GEMS Public School, and I thank Dr. Manjari Tejpal for the principal of GEMS School for giving me this opportunity to address the kids. Thank you very much.